Hi everyone, welcome back for another Pi News update. We're recording it today, Monday, April 21st, 2025, 1:48 a.m. Manila time. So our point of discussion will be mainnet migrations roadmap by priorities. Here's a roadmap of mainnet migration work based on the network's priorities. Okay, completing initial migrations for pioneers in the queue. So if there's any other Pi users or Pi pioneers who still needs to complete the transition going to the Pi mainnet. At this point, this is the process or the stage that the Pi network is currently completing. Okay, before they can even go through and focus on the second one, which is most of our Pi users have also been waiting for. Okay, I'm also reading some comments from our viewers and subscribers about do you have any information regarding the Pi second migration? So regarding your query about the Pi second migration, here's a proof, a black and white information coming directly from the Pi network team. Okay, second migration including referral bonuses. Okay, after the first migrations in the current queue are completed, second migrations will become the focus. Okay, guys, I repeat. After the first migrations in the current queue are completed, second migrations will become the focus. So I'm happy reading this earlier because me and my wife have already cleared and completed everything on the first phase of the migration to mainnet. So I'm expecting that we are one of those lucky people who will be the focused users or pioneers when Pi finally starts their second migration, including their referral bonuses. Okay. Second migrations will also include referral mining bonuses attributable to referral team members who passed KYC. Okay, so as I've said earlier, we're both able to complete our KYC process. So I am expecting that whatever remaining unverified balance she has on her Pi balance dashboard as of the date and time of this recording, I'm expecting it to transfer to the or move to the transferable balance and eventually um, moving to the Pi mainnet actual available balance. Okay, and the main reason why I'm considering to lock up any Pi coins which will be coming from the second migration is because if I'm going to lock up my remaining Pi coins, for example this one, the account of my wife, at the moment she has a total mining rate of 0.0043 Pi per hour. She can still try to improve her total mining rate if she will place some Pi lockups on her Pi account. So, for example, under boosters, we have here lockup reward 0%. Since she's not locking up or committing any Pi at the moment she click on increase and configure her lockup reward, for example, if I decide to lock up any remaining Pi coins on my account and the lockup duration is 3 years, this will significantly increase my mining rate. Okay? So on top of the lockup Pi coins on my Pi account, I'm still able to continue and mine Pi coins. Okay? I would also like to reiterate that all the information on our YouTube channel, Crypto Bayanihan, Web3 wallets are published in good faith and for general information purpose only. Any action that you take upon the information you find on this website is strictly at your own risk, and all the videos or content on our YouTube channel are not financial advice. Always do your own research whenever you're engaging in the cryptocurrency space. Thank you.